I was gonna just put it in the group. What? They don't care. It was like 5 seconds. It's not like anything was saying that for sure. He was fascinated with the snow today, and I felt so bad I couldn't let him play in it.
I think there's a sale at Target for like $5.
I almost bought them, but they don't have the right size. Yeah. But I was talking to a couple women in the aisle, and they were like, just get them the size faster. You want them to last forever anyway. I was this close to buying them, and I didn't. They were $7. Quinn.
Yeah, I'm not.
Oh, are you calling Daddy?
Oh, is that what you're thinking, me? Quincy. Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
That's hilarious.
Those are big claws, not big sneezes. Go.
That's a real cough.
Achoo! That was a good one. Achoo! Achoo! Chew.
Somebody's tired. It's nighttime.